Thank you once again for joining us. Today we're going to look at everything about mango when it comes to making juices, making smoothies, making popsicles, making, concentrate from it. And yes, I'm going to teach you some special twist I give to my mango. Don't tell anybody. So yes, today is all about mango, and you should try this whenever mangoes are in season, especially with your salu mango, as we call it here. So I have my fresh mango, which I've washed. I've got some banana, made in Ghana banana. When you're buying banana, buy those made in Ghana bananas, and I've got groundnut paste as well. Those are going to help me with my mango smoothie. Yes. So I begin by washing my mango. You need to always wash from the eye part to the base of the mango, and you need to wash this under running water. I can also wash it in your bowl with a bit of salt. So what I begin to do is to prep my fruit for the smoothies and everything. So I just diced up my banana and then I place it in my zipper bags. If you're not ready to use it that day, you can just put your banana in your freezer bag. So if you check my ice cream recipe, you see me use a bit of frozen bananas. That's what I do when I have excess banana. And for the mango, I'm going to teach you varied ways to work your mango. You can cut the eye part to help you get a stable support to cut the mango. Then you're going to just dice the main part of it. And when you cut lines into it like this is what you're able to get from it. So sometimes when you go to the restaurant, they tend to serve you your mango like this. This looks nicer. But then when you're eating, you can eat it with your spoon. You can use your knife to cut it off. So when they give you search, don't ask yourself that, how do I eat this? Don't put it by your mouth. Use a spoon to scoop it out and work with it. So the sides of the mango, I'm just going to cut as well into the cubes and just put this into my zipper bags for use later. So I use this in my mango ice cream recipe as well. So this is one way to cut your mango. And you can also decide to just, instead of doing the lines in before you cut, you can just peel the mango from the skin in this manner. So this is sometimes better and more hygienic, especially when you're doing commercial cutting. So you don't want to use your hand to hold and then cut all over. This is one way to go about it. Then you move the rest of the food or the flesh from the mango seed, and be careful when you see those black stuff. It means the seed is perforated and there may be an insect in. So don't go too deep to that side. Another way to go about it is this, where you peel it like this. If you're going to peel it like this, make sure your hand is well washed. And this is only advisable when you are home and you're doing it for yourself. It's not advisable when you're doing this commercially for people. So once you're done, you can just dice it into the shapes and sizes you want. Be careful when you are doing this, because if it's very soft and it's very slippery, you may cut into your hand. So be very careful with this type. So once we're done, we can also ziplock this and use for another time. Or yes. So when it comes to my mango, for the puree, all I need to do is to put the fresh mangoes into the blender, the overly ripe fresh mangoes into the blender, and then you just blend it up till it is smooth, very, very smooth. That is all there is to mango puree and mango concentrate. Then when you come to making your mango juice, you're just going to add water to the mango to make it more liquid. That is how you make mango juice. And sometimes you can add in other spices and herbs, like add in ginger or some cloves, just to give it more taste. The thing about mango juice is that when you add in too much water, it will become too runny and the taste will taste too diluted. So when you take a mango concentrate, a mango puree, it is often more thicker than the mango juice. And sometimes people who do commercial mango juice, they tend to add a bit of sugar to increase the sweetness, or honey or something. I almost forgot to chip in that mango puree or concentrates are also good when you're feeding babies. When they start eating fruit, you can do that for them. And for my mango smoothie, I have mango, I have banana. I add in the lemon juice to beat down the sugars in there. Then I added in groundnut paste, just a tablespoon of it. And sweetheart, when you eat this, it is just mwah, 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 mwah. So this is my mango smoothie. And these are fruits that go well with the mango mix. You should try this out. It is just milky, just sweet, and there's balance in there and thickness from each part of it. So once I'm done, I pour it into my glass, and then I tend to add a bit of cinnamon in there as well. And for the rest of it, I poured it into my popsicle molds. So I'm going to make ice creams from it. If you don't have the popsicle molds, you can just get containers and then just put it in and put your stick in. Yes, so you can make the same popsicles from fresh mango juice, the mango puree, not mango juice. If you do mango juice, you won't get so much taste from it. Or you can mix mango puree with the smoothie as well for your popsicles. So I tend to add cinnamon to my smoothie just to give a more flavoring note and then to beautify it as well. So this is how I love to enjoy my mango smoothie. So yes, if you have mangoes at your disposal and if you love mango, these are ways you can enjoy your mango. You can enjoy it as a smoothie with the banana and cool. You can have it as popsicle ice cream time for snack. You can also have it as juice for your breakfast and other meals. And you can have the puree, which you can even use for your mango jam, or you can feed your kids with, or you can even eat it yourself in the evening when you want to sleep and all those ones. So this is some mango ideas I'd love you to try out at home. Homemade mango ideas. You can also check our homemade mango jam and then our homemade mango ice cream as well. Till I see you in the next food video. Lots of love from my team and I. Please do well to support us with your views, with your likes, and by sharing our video to others. Lots of love from my team and I. Mwah.